Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will explain you what are demonstrative words. This, these, that, those are demonstrative words. To demonstrate means to show. Many times you must have heard demonstrate with example, show with example. This and that are singular demonstrative words. These and those are plural demonstrative words. When these demonstrative words are used before a noun, then these demonstrative words become demonstrative adjectives. When these demonstrative words are used alone without a noun, then these demonstrative words become demonstrative pronouns. This book is mine. This is here a demonstrative adjective because this is used before a noun book. These apples are fresh. Here the noun is apples and these is demonstrative adjective. That chair is broken. In this sentence, chair is a noun and that is demonstrative adjective. Those students are late. Here students is noun and those is demonstrative adjective. This, these, that and those are also used as demonstrative pronouns. This is my book. Here, this is demonstrative pronoun and immediately after this, a noun is not used. These are fresh apples. Again here, these is used as a demonstrative pronoun. That is a broken chair. Here, that is the demonstrative pronoun because there is no noun after that. Those are expensive gifts. Those is a demonstrative pronoun here because after those there is no noun here. So students, you must remember, if there is a noun after the word, then it is demonstrative adjective, and if there is no noun after the word, then it is demonstrative pronoun. So students, you must practice. I will send you a practice exercise in the comment box and in the description box. Practice is mandatory. It is a foundation for spoken and written English. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And do a lot of practice. Keep learning. Happy learning. Bye-bye. See you again.